So this week it's the Australian Manufacturing Week. And it means that the expo is back on. There haven't been any expos for the last couple of years, and now everything is going back live, which is amazing. Remote is great, but talking to people in real life is so much better. So I'm here visiting the Australian Manufacturing Expo. Having been in the import and export industry for a few decades, I know how important manufacturing is and the whole supply chain around it. That it all runs smoothly and with the minimum amount of cost. But these days there are so many issues. The global supply chain, it's quite challenging. So my main question for today will be, what is the trend? Are we going to see more local manufacturing again? There are so many opportunities, of course, for business owners that would like to exit their business in the next 3 to 5 or 10 years. Because if the manufacturing is coming back to Australia, it means there will also be investors looking to purchase the local companies. So yes, let's find out what's happening in the market.